In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics to a Glide app. Before connecting anything, it's important to understand the structure inside Google Analytics. At the top level, you have your Analytics account. Inside one account, you can create multiple properties. And inside each property, you can create different data streams. Your Glide app will be added as a data stream inside one of these properties. Start by creating or opening your Google Analytics account. If you already have an account, click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner. From there, you can click Create to make a new account or property. If your account is completely new, you will see a Start Measuring button in the center of the screen. Click it. First, enter your account name, select the data sharing settings, scroll down and click Next. Then enter your property name. I will name mine Glide. Choose your time zone and currency, then click Next. Now select your industry category and, optionally, the number of employees in your business. Click Next again. You will now see a list of business objectives. Select the boxes that apply to you, scroll down, and click Create. Read the Terms of Service Agreement and click I accept. Once that is done, Google Analytics will ask you to choose the platform for your data stream. Since Glide apps run as web apps, you must select Web. Next, enter the website URL. This is your Glide app's URL. Copy your app link from Glide and paste it here. Then give your data stream a name, which can be the same as your app name. After that, click Create and Continue at the top right. Once your data stream is created, click Next until you reach the main dashboard. Now you need your measurement ID. You can find it on the data stream page. If you cannot locate it, click the gear icon again, go to Data Streams, and you will be able to see your Glide app here. Click on it to see the extended view and copy your measurement ID from here. Next, go to your Glide app and open the project you want to connect. Click Settings at the top, then go to the Integrations section. In the search box on the right-hand side, type Analytics. You will see Google Analytics appear. Click on it, click Add to App, and paste your measurement ID. Once you do this, the connection will be active. Now, if you return to your Analytics homepage, you will start seeing activity from your Glide users. You can also view detailed reports, monitor user behavior, and analyze traffic patterns. Your Glide app will now continually send data to your Google Analytics account for tracking, and this is how you can add Google Analytics to a Glide app.